When we work with people to help them find their optimal results, there's three pillars that we work towards: nutrition, fitness, and accountability. Today, we're going to talk about accountability, which is 1/3. That's 33% of you seeing results. Most people try to do it on their own. In fact, most people have been trying to do it on their own for 20, 30 years, and they keep saying, I can do it on my own. I'll figure this out. I'll get there. When the truth of the matter is, you could find an expert that does this full time as a profession that at the very least can help you see results in a much shorter amount of time. And I would, in most cases, like, we live in the quick fix society of microwaves, text messages, fast food. We all want instant results, but we don't want to pay for those instant results. So I would highly suggest finding someone to help you stay accountable. It could be a group, or it should be a group. It could be or should be a mentor or coach, someone to help you stay accountable. Otherwise, there's a good chance you're not going to show up for workouts. You're not going to follow a meal plan.